How to log in to Disney Plus on TV Code. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Disney Plus on your TV using a code. It's a quick and easy process. First, turn on your TV and open the Disney Plus app. If you don't have the app installed, head to your TV's app store and download it. Once you open the app, you should see the Disney Plus welcome screen. Now select the login button. After select login, Disney Plus will show you an 8-digit code on the screen. Keep this code handy, we'll need it in the next step. Next, grab your smartphone, tablet or computer and open a web browser. Go to disneyplus.com/login and simply on the login page, you'll see a place to enter the digit that's displayed on your TV screen. Type the code exactly as it appears. After entering the code, you'll be prompted to log in with your Disney Plus account credentials. Enter your password and email to sign in. Once you log in on your phone or computer, your TV will automatically confirm the login and you'll be able to start streaming your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars and content, everything right away. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Disney Plus on your TV using the code.